thank you to special my teacher in Vietnamese Theology College in here have Pastor Quang Chen, Quang Nhật Ekta and Hibay, and we have Pastor Rahman. He is the big pastor in Bunong people when he's still in Vietnam. I think somebody can know here. Come in, Jen. And thank you, my sponsor family. They are my sponsor, Cathy, Connect, and No. Thank you, and I thank you all our church from Charlotte or from Principal. We gathered together in here today. So I just say something to give thanks to the Lord. He had with me. The first step on my study Bible is the life of Christ. We start from the year 1994 and we finish at 1997. Because very hard time on that time for me, Vietnamese, they see every time the students study the life of Christ, sometimes we have stopped because we are hiding and we avoid to public Vietnamese. That day we start from 1994 until 1997 and we finish. And after that, I studied the secret Bible school, maybe we can call it silent Bible school. And we have Pastor Lê Khắc Cung is the principal of that school. We studied on 3 years. And I finished that, and I have that is the second one. After that, God bring me to United States, and I very glad is Lutheran Church, Epiphany Lutheran Church, welcome me from the airport, and a lot of people in Lutheran Church, and I go in Lutheran Church maybe in long time too, maybe about 5-6 years, maybe more. And when we start actively, there no Bunong Church here, so I don't have time to come to Lutheran Church anymore and get my feet here. That means I don't leave the Lutheran Church. And thank God on May 2009, we started the Theology College Vietnamese. We have principal in Pastor Nha.